Want to grow your business faster, smarter, and with less stress? AI is the key, and today, I'll show you exactly how to use it. Let's start with the basics: automation. From responding to emails to managing your calendar, AI tools like ChatGPT, Zapier, and smart schedulers free up hours of your time. Instead of wasting precious energy on repetitive tasks, you can finally focus on what matters: growing your business. Marketing doesn't have to be a guessing game. AI tools like Jasper and Adzuma analyze your data and help create content that speaks directly to your target audience. No more wasted ad spend. Imagine campaigns that practically run themselves, dialing in your message so it lands with the right customers every time. Want to keep customers coming back? AI tracks user behavior and delivers personalized recommendations, just like Netflix and Amazon. Your website and emails can adapt in real time, making every customer feel like you built your business just for them. Don't just collect data, use it. AI tools help you spot trends, predict customer behavior, and make smarter decisions. Instead of drowning in spreadsheets, you get clear insights on what works, what doesn't, and what's coming next. Close more deals with less effort. AI chatbots and ChatGPT AI, like intelligent chat agents and advanced chatbots, qualify leads, follow up, and help you sell, even while you sleep. Your sales process becomes a well-oiled machine, working around the clock to grow your revenue. AI is your growth partner, available 24/7, scalable, and powerful. Start small, test tools, grow fast. Ready to take the next step? Visit trafficmaxnow.com/AI, powered to explore AI tools for your business.